Welcome to another mini Archi Tour. Nandito tayo ngayon sa isa sa ating completed projects here in Amayascapes General Trias. Nandito sa likod ko is simple Japandi style na fence with an accent wall in the middle using breeze blocks. So, upon entering, we will be greeted by their Genkan area. So it is a recessed foyer in Japanese fashion. So we do have our shoe cabinet here, a mirror here, and then our indoor PVC column to separate the space. Yan. So ito naman yung kanilang living space wherein meron tayong ceiling fan on this side, a good space for our living area. On this side naman is our TV accent wall with our asbestos lime wash here, the TV console on this side, and we do have a secret door going to the storage space under the staircase. And then meron din tayong first toilet and bath here. So we do have the typicals. We do have our cabinet here, overhead cabinet on this side. We do have our mirror and the shower area with a shower niche on this corner. So going to our dining area, we do have this indoor column to separate the space of the staircase and the dining space itself. So here we do have our L-shaped na dining bench with storage underneath, and of course yung ating mirror to give us an illusion of a bigger space. So nandito naman tayo sa kitchen area. So it is a parallel layout wherein meron tayong range hood, and then our sink and the fridge beside it. We do have our overhead cabinet with our lighting here, and then we do have another counter on this side. Nandito yung ating microwave here. We do have more storage spaces on this corner, and then this area for the small kitchen appliances. Going to this side naman is our sliding French door leading to our laundry space. So for the laundry area, we do have a tall cabinet, plus also overhead here. We do have shelves here as well, and yung ating washing machine on this corner. So next naman is our bedroom. So follow for part 2.